Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvani lo so namhlanje nginiphathele indaba zaku PSL. Kule indaba lezi kunendaba yomdlali odlalela iRichards Bay FC uyanela Mbuthuma the striker lesi skora amagoli amathima amaningi esimfunayo. Kule ndaba le kuthiwa uyanela Mbuthuma wasayina i5-year contract with iRichards Bay FC. Kule 5-year contract nje kune clause ekhona kuleyo contract allow the 3 big clubs to sign uyanela Mbuthuma. Yebo, not every club ingakwazi ukumsayina ku-Betway Premiership, only the big 3 okuyi-Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns ibona bangayi-triggerisha le-release clause fee for its exit to a big 3 club. I-Richards Bay FC ayinayo i-pressure kumdayisi mjita, they can sell the player to any of these big 3 teams, yebo. And kule big 3 le, Orlando Pirates is showing a serious interest to sign uyanela Mbuthuma, una 23 years old, from iRichards Bay FC, according to Unplayable. Kuthiwa nje iOrlando Pirates, it is the only team in the big 3 who are willing to sign uyanela Mbuthuma. Ingabe Orlando Pirates izokwazi yini ukuyiphula off le deal le? Ingabe bazokwazi yini ukumsign? If they sign uyanela Mbuthuma, it is pretty obvious they will let go of Zakhelele Pass. But again, asazi, we will wait and see. Kwezinye zeindaba, the Dutch coach uAndries Alderling initially earmarked for a head coach of a position at Cape Town City FC has left the club to take on the role of being the assistant manager ya Erik ten Hag kwiBayer Leverkusen. Lo coach lo bafethu ubeyicoacha iCape Town City kwigame yayo yokuqala ade idlala lapha kuma playoffs. But ke after leyo game leyo udecide ukuyojoina uErik ten Hag lapha kwiBayer Leverkusen because uTen Hag umcelile ukuthi ayobe assistant coach yakhe. Hey, ithuba kodwa leli engajwayele ukuvela. Yabo, nami nje ngumuntu bengizolithatha leli ithuba leli ngiyocoacha lapha kwiBundesliga. Yabo, that's a big league and ithuba leli elihle kakhulu for icareer yakhe right now. Yabo, ngangitshela kuma comments usizwe kanjani ngale indaba, but ke ithuba leli ngathi alisebenzisa ngizandla zo2. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iDurban City has made its first signing ahead of next season, securing amaZulu striker uSenzo Ndlovu. Umdlali ke lo abeloniwe njengoba bemlonile kwiDurban City, ideal yakhe sizoba permanent with iDurban City. Kwezinye zeindaba la kuthiwa iLamontville Golden Arrows have completed the signing of former Mamelodi Sundowns striker uJerome Kgarelese. Yabo, Kgarelese, yabo, on a 3-year contract. The 22-year-old scored 20 goals in the Western Cape ABC Motsepe League for iHouse Bay United this past season. Imagine the 22-year-old scoring 20 goals in the ABC Motsepe League. Izinto esingavamisile ukuyibona lezi kwiBetway Premiership ukuthi abadlali baze bafike ku 20 goals. Yabo, ngena ukubabona nje begcina la ku 19, begcina la ku 15, but ke kuyangijabulisa ukubona abafana abancane yabo bedlala kanje. Engawuthi angafika lapha kwiGolden Arrows adlale kahle, ambona amathima amakhulu. Yabo, because Mamelodi Sundowns alisebenzisanga kakhulu italent lakhe umjita, bamyekelele nje ukuthi ahambe on a free transfer ayojoina iclub le kwiWestern Cape ABC Motsepe League. Yabo, kuyangijabulisa ukumbona uManqoba Mncethu ukuthi ukwazi lokumlanda yabo abe ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe njengoba eyodlala nje for iGolden Arrows next season. Ngisakuyona iGolden Arrows. iGolden Arrows isidecidile ukuthi iretain indawo kaManqoba Mncethu. uManqoba Mncethu njengoba obe ucoach nje last season for iGolden Arrows, usazoqhubeka abe ucoach weGolden Arrows nakule season entsha le, because abantu abaningi kade bebuza ngempela ukuthi ngabe uManqoba Mncethu uzoqhubeka abe ucoach weGolden Arrows ngoba izinto ezingahambanga kahle ngendlela eyiyona last season. But ke sebekhulumile ke uManqoba Mncethu unayo ivision for iGolden Arrows, uyafuna ukuyibuyisela kulesa sikhathi la yayinqoba khona indondo iGolden Arrows. Yabo, because uyena coach owagcina unqoba indondo with iGolden Arrows, usafuna ukuyinqoba indondo with iGolden Arrows. So abaphathi bajabulile ngakuzwa lokho. So uManqoba Mncethu usayoqhubeka abu coach weGolden Arrows. Kwezinye zeindaba, amaZulu FC goalkeeper uAndile Mbanjwa is set to leave the club with these contracts expiring following the end of 2024-2025 PSL season. So Mbanjwa ke bafethu contract yakhe ngeze renew uzohamba kweAmaZulu FC. Asazi kusiphi team ezomthatha after this, but ke uyashiya AmaZulu FC awayirenew contract yakhe. Kwezinye zeindaba la kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs midfielder uEdson Castillo could be set for a surprise exit, with the player said to be exploring his options after a mixed reviews within the technical team over his future. Yabo, uyisamaze ke lo mshito bafethu uCastillo umdlali lo ngempela uyisithenjwa ngeKaizer Chiefs. Inkinga ke ebuye imhluphe ama-injury. Yabo, lokho enama-injury amaningi kanje i-future yakhe kuKaizer Chiefs ayikho clear because i-management engawuthi ifuna umchitha impela umjida because bayamdinga, mebemdinga akatholakali. Kuma games abalekile uCastillo akatholakali. Yabo umdlali oright yena inkinga yakhe nje ama-injury. Bacabanga ngomchitha asazi ukuthi yipi team ezoqhamuka imsiza uCastillo, but ke it looks like uzoyishiya iKaizer Chiefs at the end of the season. Yabo kwezinye izindaba la Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa isiripothile kwi-camp yaWonderboy Makhubu they look to bolster their attack under ucoach Nabi. Yabo the Sekhukhune United striker who impressed on loan kuMagesi is set to return for i-preseason kwiMagesi. Umjida ke ufuna iKaizer Chiefs ingabe uNabi uzokwazi nokumsayina uWonderboy Makhubu ile striker lesi esenza okuningi kakhulu isizini esiphuma kuyona, even though enga-impressanga kwi-league but kuma-cup games ubombona uWonderboy Makhubu efika isiza iMagesi FC. Ingabe iKaizer Chiefs umdlali lo engakwazi ukumsayina after they've let go of Furanga Chivaviro? Ingabe umuntu lo uzobanikeza that yabo factor up front? We don't know, but he's a striker who is good at goals. He's a striker who is good kuma-aerial balls. Asazike kwezinye izindaba la in Tanzania, Florent Ibenge he's on a verge actually of joining Azam yale eTanzania. Hey, lo coach lo ubelinked with the Orlando Pirates. But ke Orlando Pirates looks like ayimfuna umchida njengoba right now eyojoyina iAzam FC. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iChippa United isi-announce 18 players ebachitha. 18 players ichitha abadlali abawu-18 mase kuthi abathathu bazobuyela kuma-parent clubs wabo. Waphelele Teto uzobuyela kwi-Livingstone FC. Mase kuthi uSiphelo Balloon uzoreturna kwi-Orlando Pirates. uSonwabile Khumalo uzoreturna kwi-Orlando Pirates. Ngifuna ukufundela amagama labadlali laba abachithwe iChippa United. Imagine letting go of 18 players. 18 players. How many players kanti binayo iChippa United? Hey, uma subheke ilist yalabadlali labadinabo ebachithile. Ichitha uDarren Johnson, yachitha uLukhanyo July, yachitha uJustin Shabalala, yachitha uSamkelo Jali, yachitha uAndile Jali, the great Andile Jali, yachitha uBaraga Magojoro, yachitha uAthenkosi Dlale, yachitha uRonald Sanua, yachitha uCraig Martin, the former Orlando Pirates player and Cape Town City player, yachitha uRonald Maman, yachitha uThobani Jacobs, yachitha uSifiso Mazibuko, yachitha uAvio Maqokozo, yachitha uEnoch Sakala, yachitha uEvanga. Yabo Evanga lo link to iKaizer Chiefs ke but ke asazi. Yo, imagine labadlali laba. Sporting director esisha uSinisipho Mali uyena umuntu obe-responsible yalento le, uyena ubonile ukuthi okay laba badlali abakanje asibadingi kwiChippa United, so ibona abadlali abachithiwe lapha. Ingabe banalo yini iqhinga lokuthola iquality njengoba bechitha abadlali abangakasazi? Yabo maybe they saw ukuthi iChippa bengadlali kahle, abanye abadlali bebenza bengadlali kahle laba. Yabo but ke asazi bafethu, wangitshela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi. But ke iChippa United have let go of 18 players. 3 of those players will return to their parent clubs. Mase kuthi laba abanye yabo soba ama-free agent nje.